So now that you've seen how complex it can be to build and maintain a Zoom bot completely from scratch, I wanted to show you the other side and demonstrate how simple it can be if you're building the bot using an API like Recall.ai. So to do that, I've set up a really simple server here. It really only has one endpoint that we need to care about, this send bot endpoint. And as the name suggests, this is going to send a bot to my Zoom call. I've already added a meeting URL for a Zoom meeting that I have running in the background. I have set up a transcription provider too. So the one I've chosen is meeting captions. And what that means is that the bot is going to pull captions in the exact same way that the bot from scratch did. It's going to grab them directly from the Zoom client and send them to us live. So we don't have to pay for transcription. It'll just be free, pulled directly from the Zoom client. We do have other options here though. Recall has a native transcription service, and we integrate with other transcription providers. So if you want a higher quality transcript, we give you some options around that, which is nice. And I've also told the bot that I want it to send that transcript to my real-time webhook endpoint. I basically told it I want it to send the webhooks to this URL. And on the back end, the way this works is that any webhooks that are sent to this URL are going to be forwarded to my localhost so that we can see them printed out in the console. So that's really what you need to know. It's one API call, and we have some logic running so that when we get the transcription webhooks, they'll actually get printed out. So I'm going to go ahead and send a bot to my call now. So just going to hit that send bot endpoint. You can see we've successfully sent the bot. Now we'll wait for it to arrive in my Zoom call. All right, great. So our bot has arrived. So now that it's entered the call, it's doing a few things that are similar to the Zoom bot from scratch. So it's logged me, it's got my name, it knows who I am, and it's pulling the captions directly from the Zoom client and sending them back via webhook so that we can view those in real time. For what it's worth, it's also capturing audio, video, and a bunch of participant metadata that the bot from scratch currently does not capture. So I'm going to go back to our client here so we can see the bot is transcribing everything I'm saying and logging it in our console. So that is basically all the functionality that the Zoom bot from scratch had, but implemented in essentially one API call. And obviously you've got some reliability, functionality, and just simplicity benefits from using an API like this. So yeah, I hope that's helpful.